Hello everyone. Today we're gonna prepare mutton pepper gravy style. So let's cook the meat first. I have 2 lb of baby goat in a pressure cooker. Adding 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and little chili powder, coriander powder, little turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Just mix them well and let it cook for 20 minutes or up to 3 whistles. So it's been 20 minutes. So the meat is cooked well. Now we can keep it aside. Take another vessel. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Few mustard seeds. Cumin seeds. Red chili. 2 chopped onions. Just fry it well. Adding 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. Few curry leaves. Now fry them well. Once the onion is fried, I'm adding 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and little garam masala. Mix them well and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we can add the cooked goat meat. Salt. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, make sure the gravy consistency is maintained. Finally, adding few coriander leaves. And our mutton pepper gravy is ready.